Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best methods to get icons on your website, and it is via FontAwesome. FontAwesome is essentially a website that hosts a lot of different icons that we can use on our website for free. And there are a few ways in which we can use it. One, by downloading it and putting it on our project folder, or we can also link to their CSS via the internet through CDN. And I'm going to do the second option, but to do that, we'll need to Google for it. CDN FontAwesome. The first result unfortunately doesn't work when I tried it, but the second result works. So just go for the second one, which is cdngs.com. Click on it and simply copy the first link that comes out. Go back to our index.html and link it to their CSS. I'll call it FontAwesome. And command / to comment that out. And to link to CSS, we can follow what is here, but we only need the rel and href. So let's do that. Link rel is equals to style sheet. Href equals to the link that we just copied. So Ctrl V to paste and close it out. Command S to save. Again, my plugin auto formatted this way. Yours might not, and it's okay. Okay, so by doing this, we will already have the ability to access FontAwesome's icon. So let's go to their page. There are a lot of icons that we can use. As you can see, there are more than 7,000 icons that we can use from their website. Let's get back to the final product. We want a check mark and a trash icon. So let's find for those. You can simply search for trash. This one. Click on it. Click on start using this icon button. And copy this line. And then just like that, we can already use it on our application. And since it's a and we can copy it right over here. And since this list item now contains more than one thing, I like to indent it properly by clicking enter here. So it's clear this is the words and the next line is the icon, and leave the other space out. And the other icon that we want is called check. So you can go to FontAwesome's website again and search for check. And all the check icons will appear, and we can select the first one. Click on it and click start using this icon and copy this line. Okay, so since we have the trash icon here, we want the check mark before it. So let's check it out on our app. Refresh this page, and there we have it. We can see these two icons. Again, the trash icon is not exactly the same, but we can find the correct one on the page. But as long as it serves the purpose, it's fine. So we're going to stick with this. So now what we want is to get this icon to move to the right. And to do that, Bootstrap has this class that will force whatever that is within that class to move to the right. So the class is called float right. And since we want both of these icons to move to the right, we can place them inside a div. Div class float right. And we want to place both of the icons within that. Let's see if that works. Ctrl S to save and refresh the page. There we have it. So let's compare with the actual app. Perhaps the actual last thing that we need to do is to have a space between them. We can use the margin right or margin left class from Bootstrap. So let's go to our trash and add margin left, perhaps 3. Let's try. There we have it. There we have it. A space between both of them so that we can click on them without misclicking. So the only thing left for us to do is to copy this and paste it to all the list item. Indent it correctly. Always indent it correctly immediately. And actually, since these are just sample data, we can delete the other 2. 3 is enough for us to have an idea of how it will actually look like. So there we have it. And so, styles wise, we are done with this app. So next is when we actually use Vue.js to control the behavior of this website that will allow us to add tasks, check certain tasks as done, delete it, and so on.